Ewisham for aha ɛlse TV GH. Mesero like, comment, subscribe. Turn on notification so that anytime I post a video, bit say where we some be.
The woman in our mouth. Ultimate the Biacasa, Jay, a hand time. Sam George. Yeah, dear, yeah, I can't crack you. Oh, Casape, or ye that will see the class. Nanny woo, baby, what about want to be can't show. It's me, Casay, or you didn't see or body trippers are very canas, master mammy. Oh, may you do your attempt to be a wunty. Because me did so bad or bet me too for there. By now, umu be was as in 2 more years. Sam George, I never be an audi Jimmy Sembako, and the Inni can control. Sikara wedino. So when to me, I nya kuntana mawa on Kasawa by Amanan Krewa. Judgment day is ahead of you. The bedroom on Ubenu. I know dear. Yeah, sure. Say a promise so. Yeah, the catcher, opa, ya contano, and the same mobile I know crano. And 3 year dream because him say, Yera, Gidio Wakumo, Yera, Kodio Ponkumamo, Moan ya, or my baba catcher, ye, Ebrabe di Jumano. Yeah, Dika catcher, yeah, sure. Saturday 29, yeah, money go with you.
Hey,
and go west.
Try and penny for a moment.
Sure, yes, you be jamo. Samunim a dear bar and come up dear ye that dear bears a 45 and I go with tissue. Jamu ye. Now I buy a buyer and muja NPP for disika ya bechuomo social media for mochuomo NPP aba one a man appointment woman mochuomo enye ni mugu asema mo social media for mochuomo no sika be no madi o se me ya abo na me se we kwase o se me kwase na maka na de o be cheme ba do ka abo chem mama ya ma obi won de wa Sameba Ike. Oh, Yanu ne wo social media ho. Ana wo no.
I see any none that's what.
Yene na that's what by enjimi na nsan. O sara wo momu be ma wo ne. O kete wenye no wani proof you. Wo Sameba Ike temo mu che post na wo nya bi. Ana wo kokeka che nkofo bi. Se yenka bi ma ye meye dede. Ana ye be ye dede. Ana ni wenye ba bi ahye. Enti wo just a wo na wo bibia ba respond. Yate na Moaba na 195 years. But don't forget say when you na approve so far isikada when yafa bi koye no when isu na ho na nyesa ye ba na wona wano ya u videos nye ba korede wudi atembia no de koyehwem no wadi atema wo de ye do koto sa ayi prison ho a na se wonya nya dro ngusu a bra bebre wo ho no ye beba na oni nyina kata ejude kwasu jimisa kwasu ne jimisa ya de ene na hwemo aba mema se monye mema just ye ni ana prosifo no so ye soma mo se mo kwachi obi a no aye hu kokoti no o ta se ma sami je fikan some people for police for no akufo do ko do mo ko no mo kai edimo so say ka se mo kwachi obi na ma ye kikeke ma mama beti so no na mo se mo ntwe no edru ho pepepe mo se a table na tani na wo so start so what na be yagu ho so resolution ete and I debato ho because the judiciary no kra who send this for omo friends say you know judge penny say chief justice and this for chief justice. Yes, I say so ba MPP for say need chief justice. It you know, yeah, it's say you we say be institution bia no. It's say we do party penny at all. It's any problem. Say minim say next MPP government we will organize a bit my CID boss anko baby na ye be hwe peace council Archbishop Conference.
Airport. NBC for no person mo.
This is Ankama Monte, Ankama Monte. Na ya to aba na enya hu se table na ten na boys no ebedi ka cross wo ho. Wo dia said wo dia anokra de enfront to ansa. De enfront wo na de nyabotre. Eti ade ya ka che ma hu na mo ye no na obi bate ne fie na obi atwe phone ene ye behiam ene munya sanse hu no. No from me make ma adwa kire wo ama wa hwe untimi nda. Yes, me sankwasi akọ no na da ho ye ba chime ma ba na me chime prekwe na wo ba fe me agba mane no me menye wo den mama fa jimi sem na ma platform ni the voice of the elephant wa wani ji eku papa bi apesa odwan bia no
The way won. And the Archbishop catch Ghana for say, yeah, man, no cocoa because NPP we have the women. We have the women. What happened, sorry? We have the women. And then many Jews, yes, it means who that means there's some judge here no crime. I can do smart better than him. Yeah, I can do much better than him. Now me wo Ghana for ankasa na me nti wase. Obi obeka try say onye adwuma na na ehwe no. That means onye adwuma da. On kita any office where onye office where da. Onim hwe efa a communication. Onim hwe. Obabeji na obeka check Ghana for say na do is clueless, na do is stupid. Then obeji na obeka check slow way. Mami edwuma wonti mi anye sim card na register no enyampa. Wọ́n say Ghana for yake of them. All this answer me to Ghana for atima na grrr na omo boss na no so na adwu of them o dead good na adwu of them na adwen kata say adna ehemu no ha adwentin e no share some job to communication. Wọ́n say oguga ni masporto. Say they can one of the worst ministers on by here some job affairs. A1 obi antimi jifi no A1 Sam George ye ka minister wa ba ne se nedwuma de kun edwuma kan say colleague on gota Sam George A1 afa ne tisa asram afa ye tigana ha ye kebu shemi wa ko tam 10 million abwestino. It didn't always I'm not saying Yamushino Magana, no business and can never pack company. And no bit dimusika sana. Nkabendana. But you can't obey NDC for Miss Obradia or Brasse, Bakupo and Dominuso. You can't obey NDC for I'm sorry, Paco Sika crab bone. Up bones in the juice swab cook. Ye copy NDC for ya. Sama hama a friend says come now the bus of a man for loyi. Omo crop pay forms no a very phone who riano kono who forms nibi. Oh but now our church on kwasa sama catch say oh because the MPP fontino and they can earn in trouble. But when it comes to reality, Ghana fun yemim. Ghana fansem. Ghana your big crisis mu aminu kasa. Your big crisis mu. Oba one so see I can't say contract transaction. Oh who to cut? Oh who be free. And then also say eku AI FN say she on shop laptop na Sam George got toy. What's a nyaduma? Ninkofo ni say nyaduma. I want me you should. I'm find challenges for. I want me you should. Say I na chinko dia yet ma kopim he. Ala ma fa Ghana sika se mu fie Japan na mu di no left and right say mu de mu due trepa no ho. Mo betu so obi abra be yadwuma guo ni ntino mu sise di. E dem bonin something no. But the bear na Ghana for you when it for. I'm born no years some go to about mamma. I feel what can see men cat doom so a maca. Every mother.
But because you are the only one, there's some Georgia.
Every me maba. Uko kase CSC ebe chow. Mutu esi kwasi ade uko na mo say u go ma like kan wa no guba kuswa nke wie ye na fofraba. So I feel African game ya mukoye ya mugu nwani masi yen kanu wie ya Sam George akofo fofraba bebu amaye. Ena Ghana sika na mu waste. Mun ti say Sam George because Sam George aka say e kan say my yi nurse fuwe ma chia 50% o unte ene ye. Unti say our French test vacancies fuwe ma chia 7 months for unte eno ye. Unti say oh I did one na do ye no. They went me wie no we
obeshasi akeka nsem no un say you can say me say before God will make the God to kill you, they make you mad. Papa we na sorry ne shase egu ye time wo tu ne ni si papa bi a friend William adodankwa ekufuado ne so ono no wode sankom hye bi ba ye se na adu fie obi biere ni obetumi edi president bi omu samokaya between 2012 to 2016 Nanado kwaje verdict ni tu mu na nkrofo atag nanado so wo yotutreni oye arrogant nanado do be ma ntokwa abaga na ne ade a nanado ji verdict ni tu mu a na afi na aye wonwa ekua ye sa time no cry Kenya will come to Ghana sansensem no ne niema employer and this for hihye ye nyina no nanado ji tu mu nti be bia dadin papa we hyase se o ki kansem so wo hye nkom no mu peni bi to a certain level sa o man peni die nanado ntumi ndida. That was when this man Nyankopon say na Nyankopon sa wo no so fitititia. That was when he lost it. But nkofo bebre adwen ankoso oye niema odi nanado ani saa ebe wie etwa nanado ba power no. That was when he lost it all because enkom na wo share no was more or less like he was daring God. Or can something to say said the ene as of 40 biak mom hono since last mbedi na live no so amesi San Crawford no mo ahya say Dr. Bawumia be president over their dead body. They should start preparing their will because nyananado or carry na papa we tu nani si nanado so na sorry na ede ne sa na sorry ne begu no because after that time no now ekua wan kanyansa sembium. You people can go back and check. Me they not me follow because they be make me me watch me bu akwa tina nanado ye me MP as a small girl. And see I was following that story pan. From that time this man na sorry no or started kan kwase asema akopim say ne ya na sorry negu. And so wo bibi ya onko hwehwe William nanado danko ekufuado no won panichel. This way aye hinta sem na make kire no so no so wo bibi ya onko hwehwe nanado no panichel. Because you into any so be there.
So opa ne chokwe wi a yan santefo man ne infantefo man still na ye man actually. Thank you.
So okopa chewa you see Ekuya I'm saying this because what ye cha be ka say ne o trances keke there be grace bi e da no so na e free ne so adum bi a na e da no so and Ekuya omofa ne so ye niema wo kai say no wo chiche cars this man and this before you soon ne chiche cars. You see, some of these things, but it was a strategic ploy, say, omudebe wini abano. And I still Nyankopon e train to me. And see, na sorry ne guno, ya dum or dumbi and ne one so, and a free so because ordinance and no, kanya ne new kinds ordinance can. Or de not dum na Nyankopon e dum no, or the kutsia or biswa Nyankopon dum e one so, and no nesi no. Enti ene me kana me ka say yes woni mo wu a hwenna asofofuo ne bi no omo sorry no omo de omo si omo ena Nyankopon bowa omo te omo na Nyankopon be ye bibi ode fa omo so no omo sorry say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia destiny e sho omo nsenti no omo aloke no they should wait. Sa na bi mu adom be free omo so. That is when I say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be president and that is when people will see the true colors of the so-called men of God omodigu ekrom ha. Enti Ekuya we na nya nsem keka na hyase free time authority ananado. And aba abesi baby esu. But you see he doesn't even want to accept it or maybe he doesn't know. Enti enais wo bi so screen record ya. Onfa nkoma no say ne ono ne hinta sam na maka atwa no the only way out no so be kwa bunko to you na nado enim no wapa ne chewe sanse na nado adom e da ono so ne so no eso ene ono yusu na adom se wode kwa kotia no enti Nyankopon pese wo kire ne se ono Nyankopon oni obi nche na ni onyam enu nti na nado onko hwehwe na nado no won pa ne chewe Ekuya no. Meba honorable Afenyo Markins asema waka no kura na waka no. Last Thursday me betina aka say me say president mama no democracy ni de ba aban mu na mmom na ni ruling na autocracy featuring kleptocracy. Krono kakra yenchendi ekuya expose bi amese mate na ne mehwese maka to say me kokonsa no me dwane kra na eka. Me ko hia bi na me ko bise mu aba. Ekuya omonam ho sese no President Mama nsema okan wo man yi mu and I'm so shocked say we are not even saying otherwise so nsema ye kan enya akohwe bi na obi di o eye niema amomo ye eniema ekoso ene ye ka ho asem me say ene grandma Jane oti we mami ya say ye kika say de omo kan Dr. Bamia is the chairman of the economic committee me nim say grandma Jane so ye chairwoman of the economic committee mami eno no signing for tier 3 for 13 judge say my mama we no sign ye enso so wono oyo ba o I know ba yank ebeka so oba ba be we have the first female vice president. Look at how women are suffering. Me say ko akra akosha abaye friends memu no omamotuom kan no omo ba bi ahwea no ko he said omo ne ye maame mu we nya skentua for nia omo ba je wo ne ma na we nya skentua age say odo hu kotwa so. Look at how women are suffering in our markets. But you were first female vice president. Mami yan was signing here, and then mumu nam honom nipa bo wakra na mo ba bechi. But me one thing I want them to know is say they can omuntu mi nkan anuntum. Omuntu mi nkan obi anuntum. No mu refi say papa no wokọ enre ye ofi aban mu no na do danko ekufado. Even Rollins regime krana na nipa ntumi kasa. He was the voice for the voiceless. Ononi ni cohort, they were the voice for the voiceless. On one fight TMA a fence media for nya freedom and the media for mo de sorry tia na and they say musu munyan sun ye but as for the MPP there we are not going to yenka anu ntumu ne yenka anu ntumu china because obechi akodru hin have you noticed one thing say omunyachi obi pe that new faces arise here. I don't know if you people have paid attention. People lanka otherwise they are not interested in talking about politics. But the moment they arrest somebody, new faces pop up and they are talking like according to say, "Oh yeah, then ukuma apema ba enti no mom jai na wan kasa unto because we cannot keep quiet." Na Sam George dear. Kuya, and na kasa mini energy for Sam George. Measure that pen who energy.
Energy ma Sam George. Nya energy ma Sam George because